My name's Gabriel. Nandito tayo sa Toby's Estate Coffee Roasters. I'm here with a barista. He chose to be discreet and anonymous. Pero buti pumayag siya na may interview natin siya. So thank you very much, sir. I appreciate you. So yung first question po is, how many years of experience do you have here?
I'm a barista for 7 years.
7 years.
Yeah, 7 years na akong barista. And yun.
Okay. So far, kamusta naman yun?
Yung pagiging barista is masaya.
Yeah.
And kailangan mo may attitude dito eh. Hindi mo kailangan ng skills kasi marami kang matutunan dito kapag tumagal ka. Yun. So, pinaka-best doon is attitude talaga.
Attitude. Okay. Thank you. Love that answer. Now, what is your favorite thing about being a barista?
Ayun. Pagiging barista ay malawak. Marami kang matututunan regarding sa mga coffee, sa beans, sa farmers, sa paggawa ng latte art, and so forth.
Okay, so eto, what are the top 3 must-have qualities of being a barista and why?
Ayun. Pinaka-top quality dapat ng pagiging barista na is attitude.
Attitude.
And regardless na yung skills, pang third na yung skills.
Third skills.
And dapat nakikinig, open-minded siya.
Anything else, sir?
Wala naman.
Okay. What is your most unforgettable moment as a barista?
Pinaka-unforgettable moment ko as a barista is yung na-promote ako as a senior barista.
Wow.
And I learned a lot from being a barista. Ayun.
So, when was your promotion? Was it recent?
Actually, last 2 years ago pa.
Last 2 years ago. So, matagal-tagal na rin. Congrats, kuya.
Thank you.
Okay. So, ano po yung mabibigay yung tips for aspiring future baristas?
Sa gusto magbarista, pinakauna sa lahat is attitude, open-minded, and regardless ng skills. Kasi matututunan mo yon kapag nag-training ka na at kapag tumagal ka na sa pagiging barista. Ayun.
Love that. Last question. What is your favorite drink?
Favorite drink ko dito sa Toby's Estate is yung flat white. Yes.
Can you describe it?
Flat white is more milkier than latte. Latte it's more creamier than flat white. Kaya mas gusto ko yung mas gatas. Ayun.
That's it, kuya. Thank you very much again. Thank you. I appreciate you. Guys, punta kayo dito. Toby's Estate here sa SM Aura. Thank you. Bye.